Hello everyone, good day. Welcome back to the Ecotourism Journey channel. This is Paul. Thank you very much guys for watching my videos and for patronizing the Ecotourism Journey. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please click subscribe button below now. Kindly click also the bell icon so that you will be notified for the new uploaded videos. This video emphasizes the meaning, principles, activities and benefits of garden tourism. This video is also in response to the new normal of delivering academic requirements. Please ensure to watch this video until the end, learn and enjoy. Tourism is a movement of people from one place to another for business, leisure, health and education in different types. Garden tourism is a type of tourism that involves visiting or traveling to botanical gardens, destinations and places associated significantly in the history, activities, and promotions of gardening. Garden tourism involves escorted tours in which a group of tourists travels with an experienced guide who takes to various garden sites as part of the itineraries. Most gardens or horticulture encourage tourists to visit as the source of income from entrance fees to keep the operations. Attractions of the gardens can help sustain conservation programs that preserve endangered plant species within private and public botanical gardens. Gardens and gardening are considered the fastest growing sectors of cultural attractions around with the globe, and gardens as tourist destinations are becoming more prominent and significant as targeted markets by tourism product providers. Garden tourism has an outstanding practice, and its economic values have long been recognized globally. There are international societies and associations devoted to make gardening and horticultural activities a great learning experiences. Tourists and visitors are being drawn to sites where they can purchase flowers directly from local gardeners, organic farmers and suppliers. Traveling to historical, traditional cottage gardens, as well as modern and contemporary landscape gardens, seems to be a favorite pastime of people from all walks of life. The diversity of gardens in most countries provides for garden visits and involvements to a varied range of domestic international travelers and tourists who love flowers. Garden tourism basically encompasses traveling to appreciate gardens with different plant species, participate in garden events, make a research study, and other purpose mostly associated with gardening, as well as tourists spends money in associated shops, hotels, restaurants and activities. Garden tourism is a specialized form of tourism associated with farm tourism, health tourism, wellness tourism, rural tourism, sustainable tourism, and ecotourism. Some of the activities involving garden tourism includes the following, but not limited to: 1. Offer learning opportunities on gardening and horticulture methods, techniques, and practices on planting, growing and harvesting. 2. Provide activities related to spas, restaurants, accommodation, parks and offer local products to increase the profitability of the garden or botanical related business organizations. 3. Encourage tourists to participate recreational and adventure activities associated in the garden tourism destinations. 4. Offer on-site seminars and trainings on how to process permaculture, vermiculture, composting of manures, and similar initiatives. 5. Provide exhibits of products, pick your own produce, as well as catch fish and cook or harvest and pay. 6. Provide venue for photo shoots of tourists, engagements, weddings, and similar parties and gatherings on a nature-based concepts. 7. Encourage learning opportunities on the process of nature-based arts, handicrafts, and visit garden museums. 8. Immerse with community and learn new culture and traditions to the host or garden tourism destinations. 9. Work with community, stakeholders, local government units, and non-government organizations for safety, security and conservation programs. 10. Promote reinvestment in garden tourism and infrastructure, provide research information, expert knowledge and quality standards on garden tourism. The following are some of the benefits of garden tourism to both host destination, community, and tourists. 1. Enhance productivity level of garden or botanical products of local gardeners due to increasing demand and influx of tourists. 2. Increase marketability of the products like fresh flowers and other associated activities related to gardening. 3. Enhance conservation program of natural resources, biodiversity and wildlife within the tourist destinations. 4. Enhance confidence of tourists through engaging nature, natural attractions, local community, and healthy environment. 5. Encourage tourists to promote urban gardening, farming, ecotourism, composting, leading to environmental sustainability. 6. Enhance awareness of community and tourists on the different species of plants and animals with their individual behaviors and purpose on their ecosystem. 7. Experience to savor natural, healthy, fresh, and organic ingredients used on the dishes and beverages served at garden destinations. 8. Provide accommodation and other facilities that promote nature-based furnishings and amenities. 9. Increase employment opportunities, economic activities, and infrastructure programs of farm destinations. 10. Enhance family relationships through engaging children and whole family to nature-based and garden tourism-related activities. To summarize, this video discusses the meaning, principles, activities, and benefits of garden tourism. What can you say about this video? For further information, please do not hesitate to post message at the comments section below. Please click like button, subscribe, and bell icon so that you will be updated for the next uploaded videos. I wish that you were able to learn lessons and insights from this video. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.